Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, I will show you how you can change a retention period of Active Directory deleted objects like user, groups or computer account. Okay, so I'll show you step by step. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user from my channel IT Parivar, please subscribe and click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller on my Active Directory server. So this is my Active Directory domain controller server where I have opened server manager, and in same way you need to open server manager, go to tools and open here ADSI edit. Okay, click on this. Okay, this window will be open. You need to right click here and click to connect, and then select here configuration. Okay, and then say okay. Once you will connect, this Active Directory configurations will be connected. You can see here configuration dc1.itvario.lan. In same way, your domain controller name and your domain name will be visible here. Okay, now just expand this. Again, click cn configuration dc and then expand this. Again, you need to go to the cn is equal to services and expand. Then you will see here cn is equal to windows nt. Okay, expand this again. Go to cn is equal to directory services, right click and then go to properties. Okay, here you need to find tombstone lifetime. Okay, so by default you can see here it is 180. Okay, if you want to change it like for 90 days, 180 days, or more than 180 days, like 365 days, right? Means if you want like any object deleted that should not be removed till 1 year, you need to set it here 365 days. Okay, or you can decrease it also, maybe 90 days, 60 days. Okay, so it's up to you, like what retention period you want to keep, right? So in same way, I mean, as per your requirement, you need to keep here the value. Like 365 means 365 days. Means once you will delete any AD object like user, group or computer account, that object will be still in AD recycle bin till 365 days. Okay, and from AD recycle bin, you can recover that. Okay, say okay. So in this way you can change retention period or tombstone lifetime period for your Active Directory users or AD objects, right? So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll again request you to please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching at Parivar. Bye bye.